Welcome to this video. My name is Dr. Samson Udho, and today we want to discuss about something that is very important when it comes to research, and that is a research topic or research title. Many students, when you ask them about their research experience, they will tell you the story of the research topic and how it changed from day one until the day when they completed. So what they start with is not exactly what they finish with, and that is because sometimes they have a very unclear understanding of what constitutes a good research topic and what makes a research topic stand the test of time. And so in this video, I'm going to take you through what makes a good research topic and what makes a research topic stands the test of time. So when you look at a research topics, there are about two different parts that you need to understand. One is the research concept. Two is the research context. You need to understand those two parameters of a research topic for you to be sure that your research topic will stand the test of time. When we talk about a research concept, a concept is something that is, in simple terms, measurable. If you have a concept that is not clear, that someone can struggle to measure, I'm telling you that you're going to have challenges with your research topic. You will keep moving from time to time. So make sure that the concept that you're proposing, one, it is strong and has a clear sense of measurement. And so for researchers, for you to be sure that your concept is very strong, one, measurement is clear. Two, it also has to have very clear antecedents in terms of causes. Three, it also have to have very clear consequences in terms of the outcome of measurement of that concept. So that is very key. And speaking about research concept, the more the concepts in a research topic, the stronger the study. For instance, you're looking at burnout among nurses in West Africa. Burnout is a concept, but it's a singular concept. So for you to be sure that that topic is good, you ask yourself, okay, this is burnout. How am I going to measure burnout? This is very important. So it's a single concept topic, but with a very clear measurement of burnout. There are tools out there that measures burnout. There are also antecedents for burnout that we know. If you work for very long hours, if you're having very poor sleep, then this leads to burnout. And also we now know that someone's having burnout, maybe they're going to have poor productivity. So you can see there are three core things here: the antecedent, and then you have the concept, and then the outcome, which is the consequence of the concept. So you need to think along those three parameters for you to be sure that my concept is solid. The other bit that is very important is the context. Context has to deal with the population. In which population are you doing your study? That's one. Two, in what place are you doing your study? Three, in what time or timing are you doing your study? Some researchers also add the fourth component, which is the design. What design is going to underpin your study? Back to the example that we use, burnout among nurses in West Africa. So I can pinpoint my context. My context, one, nurses. Two, West Africa. Two important part of the context of the study, nurses in West Africa. Of course, you can add the third bit of the context. This could be a cross-sectional survey, a descriptive cross-sectional study, and so on and so forth. And so if you can understand that these are the things we are looking for when we are analyzing a topic, you cannot go wrong. Think about the concept, think about the context. I'll go back to the point that I earlier on alluded to. The more the concept, the stronger the study. Back to the example of burnout. Burnout and satisfaction with work among nurses in West Africa. Now you see, I brought another component to the whole topic. There's a concept of burnout, but I also brought a concept of job satisfaction. Now this topic is getting stronger and stronger because the concept that we are going to measure in this study are very complex, and that makes that topic to be relatively stronger than someone who possibly is just looking at burnout among nurses in West Africa. So in brief, if you should take something out of this video, is that a good research topic has two parts: the concept and the context. The the concept must be measurable, and the context can be located in the population, in the setting, in the design, and also in the timing in which the study is conducted. So thank you very much for listening to this video. I hope you will enjoy the next video, and feel free to sign up to my channel, and you continue to enjoy this kind of content. Thank you.